But what are my recommendations for people when they're trying to decide? Okay, so I would say the All American Sun Oven. If you are a family or a group, or you want to cook very large pieces of meat, like chickens and hams and roasts and things like that, this is probably going to be your go-to option here. Just because of the chamber size. It cooks really well, but it can also cook a lot, very, in reasonable amount of time. Has lots of good features and bells and whistles. It's built pretty well. Comes at a price point though, but for groups and families especially, I think this is probably the option for you. If you are someone who is a single person or a couple, I think this is probably the option for you, because it's pretty small, but it also cooks pretty fast. And I say that from my perspective. I'm a single guy, and I'm a busy guy, working and everything. So there'll be times where I come home at the end of the day, and I'm like, I really like to cook in my solar oven, but I don't have enough time because the sun's gonna set for these two. But with this one, I can. So I can come home. If I get home at, let's say, 5 o'clock, and it's gonna be sunny until 7:30, I can absolutely go to the grocery store, grab food, prep it, put it in here, and cook it in 30 minutes or less, basically. So I don't have to plan my whole day around it. Where these, you're gonna have to plan ahead. You're gonna have to have really good weather. This one is a little bit more forgiving with weather, I find, but you're gonna have to set this one out at like 2 o'clock or 11 sometimes. Same thing with this guy. Is you're gonna have to put these out, and they're gonna have to be out for a lot longer, especially if you're cooking larger pieces of meat in either of these. It's just really fast. So for single people, couples, or if the time thing is really important to you, this is your option. And then for this guy, if you are a budget-minded person, or if size is a big consideration for you, because you don't have a lot of room for this stuff, or if you're new to solar ovens and you just want to, kind of get your foot in the door and try it out, see how you like it, I think the Sunflare is an awesome option. It comes with a really great case, and the price you can't beat. And I'm going to open it up here so you guys can see it here. So it just opens very quickly, like that. Yeah, I'm not going to zip it, but you can see how it goes. You just put your stuff in there and you're good to go. And then when you're done, there you go. It's all set. So, those are the 3 best options I find for different groups. And I think these will serve a lot of needs for the majority of the people choosing between these 3. So I hope you found this helpful, and we have more videos going more in depth on each of these and kind of talking about it. So check us out at thetinylife.com. My name is Ryan Mitchell. Thanks for watching.